Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of y'all who don't know me, I'm a personal trainer and yoga instructor, and I come on here to do athletic haul reviews. And if y'all like these types of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that y'all won't miss any of my videos in the future and we can be internet besties. So today's video, I am actually back with another Oner Active haul, and I'm so excited because this is gonna be their newest launch. I know I just came on here last week to talk about Oner Active, but this is another video because they launched something cool this time around as well. As y'all know, I am a huge fan of Oner Active now. I purchased, if y'all have not seen that video from last week, make sure to check it out because I wanted to test out whether Oner Active is worth the hype, and I must say I'm a huge fan now. So this is actually from the last video. If y'all would like to know my measurements and how these pieces fit on my body type, just a friendly reminder, my measurements are in the description down below, so make sure to check that out as well. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the Oner Active haul today. All right, so we got 4 pieces this time around. This is the unified collection. So we are gonna start with the ultimate favorite. This was the sold out color and basically everything. I was so lucky to actually get a hold of these pieces because a lot of them were already sold out and I already went on the website on the day of the launch. So I don't know how these pieces are selling out fast, but this is the high demand purple color that I got and snagged. So to start, again, all of these pieces are gonna be in a size medium. So this is the unified V-neck cross back vest, Blackberry purple in, of course, medium. And I must say, this is my first impressions for this video today. So this is her, this is the piece. We see that she has the same upper left logo as she always does. But the cool one about this is that it's a tank. So instead of a sports bra, I wanted to get this one because first of all, the sports bras, especially the cross bras, already pretty much sold out on the website. And I did, like I said, I did go on the first day of the launch, so I don't know how it's selling out that fast. Probably everyone's like on the internet at the same time buying everything. So I was just even lucky to get a hold of this piece. But this is also a really nice staple piece. The main thing I did get this tank top is because also when we're on our days, for us ladies, y'all know once a month we have that bloating situation. And yes, I mean, although y'all can be bloated in this, I just need something that's not a sports bra so I can wear it to wherever, Pilates or wherever I go. And I like that I have some coverage here. I also do love that this is a nice cross feed and these straps are adjustable. And what I like about the straps from Oner is that they are super flexible. They look kind of stiff on camera, but this stretchiness is what I'm living for right here. We love the flexibility because as y'all know, in athletic wear, if something is stiff or tugging on your shoulders, never a good thing. What's cool also is that the design here is a crisscross design, so it's not like a cut and dry straight line in the back. So as y'all can see, the bra portion is kind of there, embedded into the tank, and the cups, we love to see that we have cups in here. So the same color cups are provided in the tank. And so we love that. Y'all can choose whether to have the padding or no padding here. And again, just a very, very beautiful color. And it's simple, but definitely gonna be a staple piece, especially for me going out on my once a month days. The next piece is gonna be the unified high-waisted short in, again, the same color as the tank, the Blackberry purple. And this, again, super, super flattering and cute. We have a high-waisted design here. And we do have the logo in the back here. What I do like about this is that although it's not really a scrunch back right here on the glutes, it still has a deep V situation. So it's gonna accentuate your waistline and your glutes here. It's gonna be a very flattering design. So really excited to try it out. I will say this material is really, really nice and stretchy. So there is a lot of give to it. And I'm interested to see how the shorts fit. Might give off kind of like a cuffing feel. So we'll see how this one does, but overall, really, really nice, stable pair of shorts. And I do love this color. I can see why a lot of people are buying this color, and it's pretty much sold out. I haven't checked the website today or anything, but I imagine that this color is almost sold out. So just got the pieces on. I will have to say the unified fabric is very, very tight. I am kind of surprised at how compressive they are. I was kind of surprised. I was almost nervous that actually this piece wasn't gonna fit me. Although it is quite stretchy, I kind of feel like this medium is kind of, I'm on a verge of like maybe wanting to size up. I know the models recommended on the clothing hauls and reviews to size up, especially in these types of material of the unified fabric, because the unified fabric is a lot more compressive. I will say I maybe should have sized up, but I mean, I think it's good that maybe I didn't, because it's also very, very compressive. So if y'all like the feel of a very, very compressive fit, then I would stick to true to size, because medium is my true to size, and I feel like, wow, it's already really, really tight. The good thing is that these straps are adjustable, so I'm not worried about how the straps dig into my body. And usually I'm always worried about how the straps fit on my body type, but as y'all can see, it is adjustable. And also what's nice is that from the transition of this thicker material of the tank, it does transition to a thinner material. So it's definitely more comfortable than if we were to have a thick strap coming up and kind of, you know, basically suffocating your neck. So that's a good thing. I do love how it is fitting on my body type. I will say they do snatch the waist here, so which we do love. I do like the compressive feel on my belly too. I feel like this is gonna be really good for, you know, once a month bloating days, although it might kind of be bloated, but I do like the feel of being sucked in. So that's a good thing. We got that going for us. And now before I do the squat test today, I do want to highlight that, again, this material is very tight or tighter fit, but if y'all like that kind of sucked in feeling, definitely recommend. I will say the tummy control is definitely there. It definitely feels like everything is being sucked in my belly, so that's a good sign. I will say around the shorts area here, around my thighs, it does feel a little bit tight, but not to a point where my blood circulation's cut off, so that's good. I feel like this is the maximum amount of compression I would want to have in a true to size fit in athletic wear, because if this is tighter, then I definitely will not want to wear this. But I will have to note that if y'all don't like this compressive fit, then I would definitely not do true to size, because I'm already on the verge of like, maybe I should size up. But the reason why I'm not going to return it and get a size large is because I do kind of like that compressive feel. I usually don't, but I feel like I don't have a lot of the compressive fit outfits in my closet, so I'm definitely gonna keep this and see, you know, if I like it over time. I also love rolling up my shorts like this with the length, because then it'll kind of give y'all more of a snatched waist, but also a nice glute cuffing effect for the hips. So I love that. I do really think that this deep V situation here really accentuates the glutes, and it looks really, really nice. And overall, very, very flattering. I do feel like this is more of like a staple piece. It's not like super, super amazing and super, super, you know, but I do feel like this is cute in a way that it's also functional, because I feel like Oner Active really does a good job in functionality. So definitely love that for us. the squat test, I definitely noticed that the bra padding is kind of moving a little bit. And also I do notice that underneath my lats, I do feel like something is digging into my skin for some reason, which is interesting, but maybe it's because this is more of a tank top than a traditional sport bra. Maybe there's just like this situation where it's kind of moving around, but that's one minor thing I noticed. Another thing I do notice is, again, these shorts do roll up as y'all are squatting. But other than that, those are kind of the cons. I guess another con, or some people might think this is a con, some people might not, but the length sometimes is kind of long. So I do feel like this is kind of moving as y'all move around. So this is kind of interesting. Like I feel like I'm constantly feeling like checking myself in the camera and being like, okay, is it like weird? Is it like scrunched up like this, or is it lengthened? So that's another, maybe perhaps a con for some people, but I've just been noticing that minor details here. I mean, overall, really, really good set. Again, this is more of a compressive type, so if y'all like that, definitely recommend. I will give this set actually an 8 out of 10 because I do feel like there is some kind of a situation going on with like movement. So I'm not a huge fan of that, so I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10, also because the shorts are rolling. 8 out of 10, but yeah, other than that, super cute though. The next piece is probably the most anticipated piece of them all, the most popular bra that everyone has been snagging. This is gonna be the Unified Twist Sports Bra in the cool brown color. And I am just so happy I snagged it in this color because, as y'all know, the purple color in this bra was already sold out. So I was definitely like, okay, I can't get that. But I'm actually really happy I did get this color because this color is actually really pretty. Again, highlighting the bra pads here. Definitely love that they supply the same color cup pads as the outside here, or the exterior. And again, same idea here on the top logo. We have it in the top, and then we also have it in the back here as well. Same as the tank top that we have, that I'm wearing right now. But overall, love, still the same idea here. Straps are the flexible straps, and I will highlight the waistband here. It's quite flexible. It looks pretty rough, or it looks pretty like that it's gonna like suck y'all in, which I am sure it will. But I do like that it is still kind of a flexible material, so it's not like super, super tough where I feel like it's gonna get really, really stuck underneath, if y'all know what I mean. And so I love that. I just love their fabrics too. I have to highlight both the ones that I'm wearing now and the sports bra. The fabric is just so comfortable. Like it feels like a really luxurious pillowcase, if you know what I mean. It just feels so good for the skin, and that's what I love about this brand so much, is that not only are their pieces super cute, but also it's just so functional, and it's just so high quality, which I cannot stress enough. I don't anticipate this material pilling, and I just really think that they did a really good job with the fabric. And the ones that I own currently too, from the Lift and Lounge capsule, I've already washed a couple times and I don't see any pilling, so I'm actually really happy about that. Obviously, if y'all are interested, I can definitely make an updated video if these materials pill, but from what I see, and my experience with the past couple weeks that I've owned Oner Active, I haven't seen a lot of pilling or anything at all. So let me know if y'all would like an updated video of these fabrics. And last but not least, we have the Unified High-Waisted Leggings, the regular length in the same color as the bra that I was just showing, cool brown. I am also excited to try the leggings in addition to the shorts that I'm wearing right now, but let's just talk about how the high-waisted is still there. So same exact idea here as the shorts. It's definitely more on the tighter side, so it doesn't have like a super, super stretchiness to it, although there is a flexibility. It's not like super, super stretchy. It's still very comfortable, but it's just, as y'all can see, I'm trying to pull it as much as I can, and it's really not moving too much. So it's a very, very compressive material there. We do have the logo in the back here, which is kind of hard to see because it's a neutral, but right here, very discreet logo. And same exact idea here for the glutes accentuation. Still very, very flattering, but nothing super fancy, nothing like a butt scrunch or anything like that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the try on haul. One thing I will note is that today for the try on haul, I am wearing a darker colored seamless undies. So I'm wearing kind of like a maroon color. So I don't anticipate this being sheer, but again, short, small disclaimer there in case y'all do see something. So that's why I make sure to wear a different color so that y'all can see, especially with neutral colors, if they're seamless. I don't really see any sheerness to it, but again, never know. Real quick, before changing out into the leggings in the cool brown color, I want to highlight that this collection is so cool because as y'all can see, even though these are two different colors, y'all can definitely mix and match these colors. Maybe, I don't know, a green and a pink may not match as seamlessly, but especially this cool gray and this purple is just giving the cute mismatch vibe, but it also has that kind of flow to it. So I just wanted to highlight that. The sports bra, it looks as though it doesn't have a lot of compression because there's a little opening here. This is extremely compressive. I feel like this is more of a medium to high support for me. It's cute, but it's also very, very functional. Like I can see myself wearing this for like a cardio session. Even though it looks not great for cardio, I do feel that this is extremely just like, it's stuck here, you know what I mean? So I do love that. And yes, it's very, very cute design here. On the back, we will have to highlight again, the stretchiness of the straps. I will say that it might be kind of twisted here. Sorry about that. But the straps, minus the twist situation, maybe I fixed it. I will say that it is pretty compressive onto the shoulders, but again, y'all can adjust that. So if y'all don't like it being more fitted, y'all can definitely adjust it. In comparison to the tank top, it doesn't have that same feeling here. And on the leggings, I do feel like there's quite a bit of a sucked in situation here. I do feel like my waist is very like snatched, like Vogue, you know? So I do like that it's very, very compressive. In terms of camel toe, I don't know if y'all can really see anything. For me personally, I don't feel like something like fabric is going up my, you know, this is great for me. I love that. This is feeling super, super compressive, but also really soft at the same time. I will have to say, in terms of sheerness, I don't really see a whole lot. I mean, maybe if y'all look really, really close, y'all can see something, but personally, I don't see too much. But we are gonna try the squat test, so let's get into the squat test. And the movement test overall really nice. One thing that I do sort of notice is the only thing is that the band or something in the waistband feels a little weird and it feels like it's rolling sometimes. But other than that, I would give this a 9 out of 10 because again, this little like rolling situation is a little weird, but other than that, I love the color, I love the fabric, I love how it feels on my body, so 9 out of 10. All right, well that is it for this video today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And in the comments down below, let me know if y'all have purchased from this launch and if y'all like the pieces, and if so, what color y'all like. And until my next one, I hope y'all continue to have a wonderful day.